Hello and welcome to another ADAS calibration video. My name is Brian. I'm with SmartSave's technical support and training team. Today we're going to demonstrate the blind spot detection calibration using our 2023 Mazda CX-9, and we'll be using our iSmartLink 801 tablet along with our LAC 0503 corner reflector. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and get started by selecting the ADAS calibration, and we'll start with the system scan. So we're scanning all of the different ADAS systems right now in the vehicle. Now our vehicle currently does not have any DTCs, so we won't show any errors or codes on this one. But we'll go ahead and generate a report as normal. We'll do our pre-repair report. And that will show if there was any kind of fault code, it would show up in that. And next we can go ahead and actually start the calibration steps. So I'll click on ADAS calibration function, and we'll choose radar calibration BSD for blind spot detection. We'll go ahead and select the BSM radar test. And we'll select data 3 for this vehicle. And for our demonstration purposes, we'll be doing the right side. So the first thing that the tablet is going to present is making sure that you have a clear area of at least 137.8 inches in radius from the rear radar sensor. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to create a straight line. So we have to determine point A and B center lines. So we'll use our plumb bomb as well as our 5-line laser to establish the center line. So let me get started with that. And I'll use my plumb bomb here. And we'll mark it with our cross pads that we'll place on the floor. Okay. Next, we'll go ahead and find our point A. And we'll go ahead and place our laser reflector, LAM 0903, on top of the marker. So we'll go ahead and place our 5-line laser on our marker. And using our auxiliary mirror, we'll go ahead and point the laser to the reflector that we positioned in point A in the front of the vehicle. And I can see the laser reflecting on the reflector that we placed on point A. And then I will go ahead and turn on the laser to extend our line. So now we have our center line here. So the next step is to determine our point C. And we have a distance being given to us of 70.2 inches or 1,783 millimeters. And that's going to be measured from our point B to our point C. So we'll go ahead and measure that. And we'll just make sure that we're and now we can go ahead and move our 5-line laser to the next point. Okay, so we moved the laser over here to our position C, and we'll now go ahead and turn on the laser to have the horizontal line to find our next point. We'll go ahead and make sure that our center line is still correct. So I will go ahead and check our laser here. So I have my vertical line, my horizontal line here lined up so we can find our next point. And our next point will be 91.4 inches or 2,322 millimeters from point C. And we should be at 91.4. And our laser. And this will be the position of our target. So we'll go ahead and get the target. We'll point it to the vehicle. At the blind spot detection, you can see the laser right there. Laser pointer. The next step calls for setting the height. And the height will be 719 millimeters or 28.3 inches. So we can make our adjustment here. And we're ready to calibrate. So I'm pressing the calibration button. We're making sure our ignition is set to position 2. And we have a successful calibration. I'll go ahead and create our post-report. Post-repair report, that is. And we have our post report showing a successful calibration of the rear BSD. So thank you for watching our video. We hope you find it helpful, and we'll see you next time.